Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable water spray on the Tosima W5 window cleaning robot. So the first thing that we're going to do is start the robot. So put it on your window, start up the robot and make it just clean. And then we're going to pull out the remote that comes with the robot. And you have this little button in the middle that says on off and with this little sign. So this is the button that makes you enable or disable the spraying of the water. So you press it once and it will turn on or off the water spray. And if you press it again, it's going to enable or disable again. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.